Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, brake assist, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.